In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a contact list in HubSpot. Now to do this, you first want to sign into your dashboard, and then you want to go over here on the left where you can see CRM. You want to hover over it, and then here you'll see it's going to say segments or lists. Now, contact lists are also called segments. It's pretty much the same thing. So you want to click on over here. As you can see, it says both. And then in here, you can then go and create a new contact list in here. So to do this, you want to first go and click create segment top right, and from here you want to click on what you want to create a segment for. So we can just click on whatever. I actually have like 5 options. I'm going to click on contacts for this one, and of course you can go and generate segment filters using AI here if you want to, and then when you're happy you can go and click on next top right. From here you want to go and add your filters. So we can go and add a filter like this, and you can just do something super simple. What I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to click on contact owner, and I'm going to do, for example, is any of, and I'm going to do, let's just do it myself over here. Okay, that's going to be one filter, and it's going to show you the estimated results over here on the right. You could also go and do or and. So I'm actually going to do or. I'm going to do add filter group. And then what I'm going to do here is content owner. I'm going to do, for example, is known. Okay. And that's also going to be one more filter I can add to my content list or contact list. So whenever you've done this, you can then just go ahead and add as many filters as you want. And when you're happy and you can see your kind of estimated results over here on the right, and if these are actually the results you want, if this is the contact list you want, you can just go and click on next top right, or you can go and generate filters using AI by the click of this button. So we can just go and describe the contents or contacts you want in your segment. So for example, over here, I'm going to type in contacts who have been added today, and I'm going to click on generate filters, wait for a few seconds and see what it's going to cook up. Now, most of the things it should be able to do, so it's going to find the right filters, and it's going to give you, there we go, as you can see, create date is less than 1 day ago, add these filters, there we go, one more filter has been added, and yeah, using simple language, AI actually generated the filter you needed, and in most cases, this is going to allow you to do things super simply. Now, when you're done, hit the next button top right, and from here, you want to select the processing type, either active or static. And then from here, you can, of course, add a description. You can generate one with AI if you want to. There we go. It's super convenient. You can type it in yourself, edit it as well if you wanna. And then you can, of course, see the location. You can add to marketing campaigns if you wanna, and click on Save and Process Segment. Now, whenever you've done this, your contact list or your segment has actually been created, and you can now use it however you want, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.